Oops. One thing I want to correct it is it can be stand 3 times, like three legs, 3 sections. 1, 2, and the second one actually, and the other one, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Oh, so then, okay. If you want to fit in, this is for Dji Action 2. It's a bit awkward because the thing will get stuck here. It's not easy. You need to force it to go through here, so it's a bit annoying. You have to, because this is, otherwise it will be a bit loose, and then this is a bit, yeah, very loose. So if you want to tighten up, you need to scratch it, the edge and go through. Then this can be tightened, and then if you want to adjust the angle, it's a little bit annoying now. Yeah, unless you go to the other way. Alright, that's it.